I will now continue guiding you through the second page of the Food Innovation Canvas. Here we want to first answer the question, what is innovation for you? We want you to answer it from both a personal perspective, but also from the company side. In our fictive company, the answer was that innovation for us is finding and implementing new solutions or products from already existing or non-existing systems or products. After you have filled in this first box, we want you to focus on a certain innovation and then starting to describe the aim of that innovation. Was it a product, knowledge, sales, packaging, process, management, or something else? In our example company, it was a packaging system for pre-processed raw material. That was the innovation. We want you to continue to describe what did you do. Did you do in-house lab work or did you use external labs? Did you go to exhibitions or hired consultants? In our example, they went to exhibitions for find contacts and ideas, and also reached out to the university for some help with some research on shelf life. In the next box, we want you to describe how the project or the activity was approached and performed. Answering the questions, what choices did you have and what internal and collaborations, which was the team for your work. In our example company, the choices they had was the type of packaging line, materials, and sizes. And their team consists of people from the production, universities, and retailers. We'll continue with the box, which will describe if the outcome was expected or not. In our fictive company, the outcome was not expected because the outcome had a better shelf life than it was expected. In the next box, we want you to answer the question if the outcome or the result was a success, and why not. Here we want you to be honest, and also, even if it's not a success, you need to write down it because that will help both yourself and other companies in the long run to not go into the same pathway. In our fictive company, the outcome was a success because it worked better than expected and the solutions became more sustainable. In the next box, we want you to answer the questions, could something have been done differently? And if yes, what could have been done differently and why? It could, for instance, be choice of team or competence. It could be the network, the contracts, equipment, collaborators. In our fictive company, something could have been better, and that was to involve the equipment providers earlier in the project. In the bottom part of this second page, we want you to state some useful recommendations, like do's and don'ts, obstacles and shortcomings, and what you wish you knew before you start the project. In our example company, the do's and don'ts was to enjoy and have fun. The obstacles and shortcomings was actually the timing, and what they wished they knew before the project was the delivering times and adjustment times. In the last box of the Food Innovation Canvas, we want you to add some additional reflections that you want to recommend for other companies. In our fictive company, the reflection was that even if you try to take everything in consideration during planning, there are always things that you cannot plan for. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have now successfully filled in the Food Innovation Canvas and want to upload it into our portal so that both you and other companies can take part of the information and use it as a guideline when developing new innovations. Thank you.